Hello to all the traders and investors. Today we are going to check 5 stocks and its technical charts in quick time. So without wasting much of a time, do subscribe to our channel so that we are motivated to give you better content in the future. So here we go. Okay, the first stock for the day is Bharti Airtel. On a 1 hour chart, if you see, it has shown amazing support at that 500 level, and it has moved upwards. But we see that the upward movement can be a little restricted as it is forming a sell on rise pattern, which is already there for a long time. So for me, if it breaks that 525 levels and goes high with volumes, then you can expect amazing positive returns in the stock till about 580 or maybe 600 as well. You never know. But for me, I think it will retrace back from that level of 530 and come down to this 500 level. And I think April is most probably going to be a month wherein Bharti Airtel is going to be in a consolidation phase from now on. Let's move to this next stock. Okay, we are down to the next stock, that's Coal India. If you see on a 1 day chart, I see that it is shown some amazing support at this line at 129 levels, and it's all set to move upwards. It's advisable that you can go ahead and put a little stop loss of about 125 and take a buy side trade. But please speak to your investment advisor before taking any trades basis on our trades suggestions. So that is the number two stock. You can see amazing support levels shown, and I feel that it's going to go till that 135 140 levels by the end of the next week, because it has shown a lot of drop. It has dropped from about 160 to 130, which is about 15, more than 15%, and it should show some positive movement in the coming days. Next on the list is HDFC Bank. If you see, the it's an amazing setup at the moment. It has taken support at this level of about 1450, and it has just moved to about 1491. The quarter 4 results are something which are going to be amazing compared to the Q1, Q2, Q3 results, which will show the stock moving towards that 1550, 1600 levels, basis on the speculations which will come in the market. So I think it's a good buy at this particular point of time. If you go ahead and think about this stock, I would say stop loss of 1450 and a target of 1600 is something which is pretty much possible in the stock. Number 4 on the list is Axis Bank. If you see, the trend shows that whatever downside movement was going to happen has happened, and yes, we do see two red lines over there, but the kind of support the stock has shown at this price for the last 2 days is simply amazing, and I do see that this is going to move upwards. What one can do is put a stop loss at about 685 and target those 735 levels, which is a good risk and reward ratio. Number 5 on the list is our favorite Reliance. If you see, it has taken support at least thrice at this level at 2000 in the past 1 month or so, and I see that this is going to be a incredible support level which is not going to be that easy to be broken. So I feel that the stock is going to move upwards and go towards that 2100 levels and make a double top before again falling down. So I think more, all in all, it's going to be a consolidation phase here as well. But you never know what market has to offer to us. So that is it. 5 stocks for the coming week that can be added to your watch list. Do go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We have seen that you people watch the videos, but again, you don't go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It is the only motivation that we have. So please smash that button and go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more of such content. Thank you so much for your time. You have a blessed evening ahead.